Living with rheumatoid arthritis, RA, requires a proactive approach to manage symptoms and maintain a good quality of life. Self-care is crucial for reducing pain and stiffness, improving sleep, boosting energy, and enhancing emotional well-being. By incorporating key components like exercise, healthy eating, rest, and relaxation, you can effectively manage your RA symptoms and live a fulfilling life. Medications play a crucial role in managing RA symptoms and preventing joint damage. Consistent medication use helps control the underlying autoimmune process, reduces flares, and slows disease progression. There are different types of medications used for RA, including disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drugs, DMARDs, biologics, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. Effective pain management is crucial for improving quality of life and maintaining daily activities. Non-pharmacological methods like heat and cold therapy, exercise, and relaxation techniques can effectively manage pain. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, and yoga are recommended. Precautions like listening to your body, warming up and cooling down, and using proper form are important while exercising with RA. Protecting your joints from unnecessary stress is crucial in managing RA. Maintaining good posture, using proper lifting techniques, and choosing appropriate footwear are important strategies for joint protection. Visit www.ozicare.com for more details.